Hey guys, and welcome back to another video and to my channel. So today I was going to do a project using layered vinyl, and here I have some different colors of vinyl as you can see that I've got, and I'm going to be working on this for my daughter's room, and it is just this unicorn project. First I made some of these boxes, picture boxes. I didn't have any canvas, but I did have some of this material. So I just used my Stanley nail gun, and you don't have to have a Stanley nail gun. You can actually just use some small nails and a hammer to do this. And I have some 1/4 inch plywood, or you can use paneling or some thin wood. And also these strips are about 1 inch by 3/8. I cut the paneling or the plywood 13 inches by 14 inches. Then I cut the strips for the framing, 2 pieces 14 inches long. And then I just measured in between those pieces to get the length for the top and bottom. And here I'm just using a flat white paint to paint these boxes. So here I have these images, and I actually got these images from a website called The Hungry JPEG, and I will leave a description down below where you can find that. And you can see how each color moves separate from one another. That's because each color is on a separate layer, and each color will cut separately. So that makes it nice when you are trying to layer different colors of vinyl, and I'll show you exactly what I mean in just a second. So I don't know if you can see well on the left side of the screen, but these cuts are numbered, and the number 1 cut is going to be my glitter vinyl, number 2 will be my black, and so on and so forth. So you can see how you can take different sheets, colors of vinyl, and put them on each sheet as you cut. And if you're wondering, I'm using the Cricut brand of glitter vinyl, and the holographic vinyl and this pink full vinyl is a brand called American Crafts, and I got it at a store called Tuesday Morning, and it was $4.99, which is pretty good for a 12 by 4 foot roll. So here I'm just cutting out my first piece, and then I will just continue cutting each color out separately. So now here is my first piece of glitter, and I've just removed all the pieces that didn't have a cut on it, and I'm going to save those for later, and they'll come in handy if I have some small things I want to cut later. Then I just remove the vinyl that I don't need. If you've never worked with glitter vinyl before, it's very easy to work with. I find it easier than the regular vinyl. So I really like the Cricut brand. It's the only brand I've used so far, but I really like it. So a tip when you're working with glitter vinyl, you can't use the regular contact paper brand for transfer tape on this because it will not stick to the glitter. Here I'm using a Stronghold transfer tape, and this is the Cricut brand, and it's the only one that would actually stick to the glitter and hold it into place. So if you're going to be working with glitter vinyl, just remember that you'll need a strong grip adhesive to use for your transfer tape. So now I'm just going to start putting down each layer, and you'll just need to note which layer needs to go first. Like on this one, I wanted to kind of center my tallest piece first so I would have enough room. So that's the layer that I put down first. And then each other layer that you put on, you'll just need to note exactly what needs to come first. I'm doing the same thing here on my second picture, and I'm just doing the tallest piece first. Now I'm just going ahead and adding the rest of my layers, and I'm using transfer tape on some of them, but if you just have one piece here and there, you really don't need the transfer tape. You can just place them however you like. So I hope you found this video helpful to you if you're thinking about doing projects like this using different layers of vinyl. I will leave a description in the box below where you can find these images that I purchased. I think one of them was only like $2, so I'll leave a description for that below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Just hit the bell for notifications to be notified anytime a new video is uploaded. So I will see you guys in the next video.